Good afternoon, my dear students. Today we are going to learn the big numbers, and which is given in your very first chapter, the Fistel. And under this big numbers, first of all, we will learn to read and write the numbers more than lakhs. See this Indian place value chart. Under this chart, you are seeing the periods and places. In the periods, you see the ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. Under the period ones, there are three places: ones, tens, hundreds, and under the periods thousand, you see two places: the thousand, 10,000. Under the period lakhs, you see lakhs and 10 lakhs, and under period crores, you see crore, 10 crores. Now there is some question: okay, how many zeros are there in 10,000? Yes, no doubt there are 4 zeros in 10,000. And if you count all the digits, then in 10,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there are 5 digits. In the same way, in this number, that is 100,000s, 1, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh. So in lakh there are 5 zeros, in 10 lakhs there are 6 zeros, and in 1 crore there are 7 zeros. So in 1 crore there is 8 digits. Now how can easily we write and read the big numbers? Take any numbers. There is a number of 8 digits. At ones place 5, then tens place 4, 100 place 3, 1000 place 8, 10,000 place 7, lakhs place 6, 10 lakhs place 5, and at crores place there is 9. So to read or write the number easily, first of all we should insert the comma. First, just after 3 digits. Since there are 3 places under ones, so after 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, insert a comma. Then in thousands, there are 2 digits. After 2 digits, insert a comma. Again after 2 digits, insert a comma. Now it is very clear. This 3, 4, 5 under ones period, 7, 8 under thousands period, 5, 6 under lakhs period, and 9 under crores period. And so you can read this number 9 crore 56 lakh 78,345. Now you can take another number. Suppose there are number, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. Insert comma after 3, then after 2, again after 2. Now this is under ones, this is under thousands, these 2 under lakhs, and this is 3 under crores. So what will be the name of this number? This will be 3 crore 95 lakh 64,000 325. So whenever numbers are given to read or write, you should insert comma, thus you will be able to know the periods, and as per the periods you can easily read or write the numbers. In the same way, you take some other numbers like 1052369 4. First insert comma after 3 digits, then after 2, again after 2. How will you read this number? This is under ones, this is these two under thousands, these two under lakhs, and this under crores. So you can easily read 1 crore 5,23,694. Now there is another method to write the name of the numbers, which is most of the foreign countries this system is adopted, and this is called International System of Numeration, and this is a international place value chart. Now first of all, see the differences between these two charts. This is national place value chart, that is Indian place value chart, and this is international place value chart. Here is ones, also here is ones. Under ones there are three places, ones, tens and hundreds, and here also ones, tens and hundred. Under thousands, here is also thousands place, but there are three places, thousands, 10,000 and 100,000. But in Indian place value chart there is only two places, thousands and 10,000. Here is not the lakhs or crores, but there is millions, and under million there are three places, millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Now take any number. As for example, there is a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits number. So insert just comma after 3 digits from the right hand side to the left. After 3 again, since under the thousands there is 3 places, so after 3 digits insert the comma, and after that there are 2 digits. Now these first 3 come under ones, these 3 under thousands, and these 2 under millions. And so when you go to read or write the name of this number, this will be 63,452,908. In the table, the given numbers may be read or written by you. So the first number is 63,452,908. Thus, you can read or write a number by applying the Indian place value chart and international place value chart. You can take another number. This may be 61325746. You have to write the number of this name by using both type of system. So when you go to write the name it by using national place value chart, it will be, first of all insert comma, after 3, again after 2, then after 2, under ones, under thousands, under lakhs, and under crore. So the national, by applying national place value chart, you can read this 6 crore 13 lakh 25,746. But if you want to read the number by applying international place value chart, you will insert comma like this. First of all, insert the comma after 3 digits, again after 3 digits. Now this is ones, this is thousands, and this is under million. And so the name of the number will be 61,325,746. Thus you can easily read or write the national numbers or the numbers internationally. So you will practice by writing the following numbers by using national place value chart and international place value chart, which are 1063,258, B 3105,296, C 2915,0032, and D 5160,580. In next class, we will learn about the place value and comparison of numbers. Thank you. So today it is enough for you to know the name of the numbers by using national place value chart and international place value chart. Okay, thank you.